Hello, my name is Marlena Rhinehart, and this is my great room, dining room, and kitchen lighting project. For this project, we had this residential floor plan, and it's pretty expansive and open floor plan. So once I saw a need for some more intimate activity zones, I created these zones by delineating the great room seating, dining seating, and kitchen with recessed task lighting. I avoided placing task lighting directly above seating for user comfort and better visibility. And to further complement the user's coloration, food desirability, and furnishing coloration, I chose 3000 kelvins for the color temperature and 90 CRI minimum for the lamping throughout. The user's convenience and ability to manipulate the lighting for mood setting was also a key factor in my design. I specified dimmable lamping for the majority of the luminaires. I also supplied easily accessible switching that is convenient to all entry locations throughout the floor plan. And to aid sustainability, the lamping that I specified is energy efficient LED lamping or low wattage halogens, and I excluded fluorescent lamping. The great room is more restful with softer applications of ambient lighting compared to the kitchen. I staggered the spacing of the recessed lighting in larger increments than the kitchen, which softens the beam spread. And I specified decorative luminaires that have frosted glass or indirect lighting, and you can see that on the right. Additionally, the great room's higher vaulted ceiling helps to softly disperse the luminance of the lamps. All recessed downlights, and that is on the right over here, furthest to the right, they all have these adjustable apertures which can be directed towards the architectural beams in the room, which further softens the ambient and task lighting. I specified a hidden LED strip in the built-ins that flank the fireplace. Those help to create accents at the main architectural focal point in the room. Another focal area on this floor plan is towards the top where we see the French doors. I put some sconces flanking that door in order to create another focal point to balance the room's aesthetic. The kitchen and dining areas are high traffic task areas. I placed more closely layered ambient lighting to provide a shadowless work area. I chose white trim downlights just like in the great room to blend those downlights with the ceiling, and this gives focus to the highly ornate pendants over the dining table and the kitchen island. I placed under cabinet lighting closer to the walls in order to highlight decorative tile work and to soften the task lighting in those areas, yet still offer another layer of light. There is a pantry down in that lower left area, which is actually open to the kitchen, so I wanted to make sure to use something that was a little bit more appealing to the eye than what you would typically use in a closet or storage area. I wanted to use the same beautiful flush mount which I used in the great room, and I did this to unify the floor plan's lighting design. Pictured here is the overall lighting plan that I created for the great room, dining, and kitchen areas with a specification chart. For this project, my main concerns were convenience, aesthetic appeal, and to create bright yet soft applications of light. And aesthetically, the decorative pendants, chandelier, and the sconces have a floral theme with a contemporary finish of gold leaf and wrought iron in order to psychologically convey a restful atmosphere. Specifications of easily adjustable ambient lighting satisfy the comfort of the user by giving them the ability to manipulate their environment and to set lighting scenes for different occasions. The intimate seating zones that I created with proper task lighting create a highly functional and comfortable space.